Hey guys, welcome to this video. And in this video, we will try to figure out and understand if you are looking to reach out to any person in a company, maybe marketing manager, founder, CEO, director, and rather than cold calling them, you just want to have the email ID so you can send them a mail. It can be a cold email or something like that. Do not spam them. So you can. I will be showing you some white hat techniques that is legal, that is not illegal. You are not hacking into any kind of system. So primarily, what I will do is I'll check the name of the website. For example, if I want to reach out to people who are providing, it can be brewery, right? Let me just check out breweries which are based in Australia. So I'll type brewery and location. I'll just put location here. Companies. Okay. Change the location here. Canada. So there are 217. I'm not looking for a job. I'm looking for companies. I'll change the location here, Canada. You can put up, any province that you want, Ontario, Toronto, something like that. So as you can see, Toronto, Ontario, brewery market, Muskoka Brewery. So let me just click on it. I want to reach out to the founder, manager, CEO, something like that. There are 80 employees here, so it's very simple and easy. I'll be using certain free uh, plugins which is there. So get prospect is one plugin that is free of cost. There are certain, you have free limit. You can go to Chrome extension store and you can find get prospect. You can download it, install it, and it will give you an idea what will be the typical format of an email ID of an employee working in this company. So I'll go to people. I'll just try to find out the founder, director, manager, HR. That is my objective. So I'll click on it. I'll try to find it. There are few people there. Okay. Craft brewery tools. Okay. So I'll look for the HR, human resource manager, or hiring, but the person who hires people for this company. And territory sales manager, VP of sales. I'll just open up the LinkedIn page. Controller at Muskoka Brewery. Okay, perfect. Mississauga, Ontario, Canada. He has been working here for 3 years, and I'll try to find out his email ID. So his email ID is already here. So I'll try to find out the format here. So once I have the format, Matthew CA, that is Matthew CA, Muskoka Brewery. Okay, perfect. Ross Buchanan. Okay, what's his mail ID? Ross Buchanan. So I have figured out a format. Ross dot Buchanan. Okay. The next thing, I'll just cross check it and confirm it. He's based in London, Canada. Okay, so what I've done here is I've found out the name of the people who are important to this company, and I figured out I've cross-checked. I've checked, two mail ID of people working here. So what I've done here is I've taken out the name, I've put it here, and I've run this command. Write the email ID in the following format: first name dot last name muskokabrewery.com. Then it has given me the mail ID. So Andy Marshall is perfect. Ross Buchanan is perfect. Koteski is, I'll just cross check if my prediction is true or not. Sarah Au, or Aus, I don't know how to spell it. So her mail ID should be here. So I'll click on it. If Sarah Au, yes, it's working fine. So using this format, what I have to do is I have to just take out the name of the person from the LinkedIn profile, and I have to run this command. You put up the name here, first name dot last name at the rate muskokabrewery.com. Write the email ID in the following format, and once you do that, you'll be able to find out the email ID, and then you can send them a mail. It can be cold email, it can be do not spam them. Don't do it for illegal purposes. This is how you can find out any person's mail ID. You have to first figure out, spot the pattern there, about how they are creating their mail ID of their people, or the employees who are working there. And after you are able to figure out, you'll be able to find out, this is all probability. The chances of winning is near about 70 to 80%. You will have some glitches where email ID is not perfect, or two or three people of the same name are working at that company, so you might have to find out different patterns. You can use these Chrome plugins, Get Prospect or something like that, to find out the email ID from their LinkedIn profile. But it is, if still it is not there, you can use this format to find out email ID of any person who is working in that company. So that's how it's simple it is. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share, subscribe, and take care. Bye bye.